Hi everyone, and welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to change background color of the button in Windows Forms apps using buttons. Before we start, I would like to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel to support my work. Now, shall we continue? First, we will need to add button in our form. After we add button in form, we will name it red. After that, we have to double-click it to create blocks of code for it. And we will write comments in block with color we want that button to place. When that is done, we will start writing actual code. For changing background color of the button, we need just one line of very simple code. When that is done, we are going to press Start button to test how our application works. We're going to press button to test how it works and see will it change back color. Everything seems to work. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like it to support my work. See you in next one.